New to reading and feeling lost? The right book is everything. These books offer easy entry points into different genres, guaranteed to hook you from the very first page. Let's get started. Mythos and Heroes by Stephen Fry. Stephen Fry's Mythos and Heroes masterfully reimagine Greek mythology for modern readers, infusing ancient tales with wit, charm, and contemporary relevance. Fry's eloquent yet accessible prose transforms complex myths into captivating narratives, striking an ideal balance between educational content and entertainment. These books serve as an excellent entry point for beginners, offering a playful and engaging approach to classical mythology that simplifies intricate stories without sacrificing their depth or cultural significance. Fry's storytelling prowess shines as he breathes new life into timeless characters and epic adventures, making these volumes a delightful and enlightening read for both mythology enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Convenience Store Woman by Sayaka Murata. This quirky Japanese novel follows Keiko Furukura, a woman who finds solace in her routine life as a convenience store worker, despite societal pressures to conform. Its sharp social commentary on individuality and societal norms is delivered through simple yet impactful writing, making it an excellent choice for readers new to literary fiction. Keiko's story is relatable and engaging, and it celebrates people who don't follow the crowd. Circe by Madeline Miller. Madeline Miller's Circe reimagines the life of the legendary enchantress from Greek mythology, transforming her from a minor figure in the Odyssey into the star of her own story. Born to the sun god Helios and a naiad mother, Circe is shunned for her lack of divine beauty and power. Her discovery of witchcraft leads to her exile on the island of Aiaia, where she hones her craft and interacts with figures like Odysseus, the Minotaur, and Scylla through lyrical yet accessible prose. Miller weaves a tale of self-discovery, resilience, and transformation. Circe's journey, marked by love, betrayal, and redemption, feels deeply human despite its mythological roots. The novel's modern sensibilities and emotional depth make it a captivating and relatable read for beginners venturing into myth-inspired fiction. Beartown by Fredrik Backman. Beartown, set in a small hockey-obsessed community, is a gripping character-driven drama that explores themes of loyalty, identity, and trauma. Fredrik Backman's straightforward yet emotionally resonant writing style makes this novel accessible to beginners while delivering a powerful, hard-hitting story. The author skillfully balances intense topics with relatable characters, creating an engaging narrative that delves into the complexities of community dynamics and human nature. Ideal for new readers seeking an emotionally impactful story, Beartown offers an easy-to-follow yet thought-provoking exploration of morality and trauma. The Queen's Thief series by Megan Whalen Turner. The Queen's Thief is a masterfully crafted YA fantasy that evolves from an engaging adventure into a complex tale of political intrigue. Known for its intricate plots and clever twists, the series features one of, if not the most intelligent protagonists in the YA genre, Eugenides. Each book centers a different character and introduces new perspectives by building on the overarching story while deepening the world building. The shifting viewpoints and layered storytelling make this series perfect for readers of any age or anyone new to fantasy who enjoys smart, evolving narratives that reward close attention and rereading. Its accessible entry point and gradual increase in complexity allow new readers to grow with the series, developing their literary analysis skills as they progress through the books. Mistborn Trilogy by Brandon Sanderson. Sanderson's Mistborn series serves as an ideal gateway to adult fantasy, blending an innovative and brilliant magic system with compelling characters and masterful world building. Its clear, immersive writing style and fast-paced plot make it accessible to genre newcomers, while offering enough depth and complexity to satisfy experienced readers. The series is packed with epic twists and satisfying payoffs, making it highly bingeable and perfect for beginners looking to dive into more intricate fantasy worlds. This series is excellent for beginner readers due to its balance of accessibility and depth, providing an engaging introduction to the conventions and pleasures of adult fantasy. The Devotion of Suspect X by Keigo Higashino. The Devotion of Suspect X is a mind-bending Japanese mystery that subverts the traditional whodunit formula. From the outset, readers are privy to the crime, but the true brilliance lies in the intricate unraveling of events. Higashino's masterful storytelling builds suspense through a tightly woven plot, culminating in a jaw-dropping twist that will leave readers stunned. The novel's clean, compelling prose and straightforward language make it an ideal entry point for beginners venturing into the mystery genre. Its unique approach to crime fiction, coupled with its accessibility, offers an engaging and thought-provoking read that challenges expectations while remaining approachable for new readers. The Neapolitan Novels by Elena Ferrante. Elena Ferrante's Neapolitan novels, a 4-book series beginning with My Brilliant Friend, follow the lifelong friendship of two women, Elena and Lila, from childhood through adulthood in post-war Naples. Against the backdrop of a politically fractured Italy, struggling with the aftermath of World War II and the rise of systemic inequality, Ferrante explores themes of class struggles, systemic oppression, and the shifting roles of women in society. Ferrante's raw and immersive writing style draws readers into the streets of Naples, making them feel intimately connected to the characters' experiences. The novels explore themes of systemic oppression, class struggles, and women's roles in society through an engaging and deeply personal narrative. As the story unfolds, readers witness the characters grapple with education, love, career aspirations, and the ever-present influence of their impoverished neighborhood. This series is ideal for beginner readers due to its accessible prose and compelling character-driven plot, which effortlessly introduces complex themes through a relatable and emotionally charged story. The Paper Menagerie by Ken Liu. The Paper Menagerie and Other Stories is a fantastic short story collection that seamlessly blends fantasy, science fiction, and historical fiction into deeply moving narratives. These thought-provoking tales range from hard-hitting emotional pieces to explorations of history and technology, delivering both variety and depth. The collection's diverse genres and styles make it an ideal choice for beginner readers who haven't yet discovered their favorite genre. From magical realism to dystopian futures, each story provides a unique perspective, allowing readers to sample different styles without committing to a full-length novel in any one genre. East of Eden by John Steinbeck. If you want to dive into classics, East of Eden is a perfect starting point. It's an epic family saga that reimagines the biblical story of Cain and Abel. Steinbeck's vivid and accessible prose explores themes of family, morality, and human nature, making it an ideal starting point for readers new to classics. The novel intricately follows the fates of two families in California's Salinas Valley, intertwining their struggles, ambitions, and moral dilemmas across generations. Through richly developed characters and a sweeping narrative, it delves into themes of good and evil, free will, and redemption, all while maintaining an engaging and emotionally resonant storytelling style. Consent, a Memoir by Vanessa Springora. A powerful and necessary contemporary non-fiction book about Springora's relationship with a much older man in her youth, examining issues of power, manipulation, and consent. Springora's candid account examines the cultural attitudes that enabled such a relationship and the lasting impact it had on her life. This memoir is ideal for beginner readers due to its accessible prose and contemporary relevance, making it an approachable entry point for those new to non-fiction or looking to engage with important social issues. The book's honest and reflective approach helps readers understand the complexities of consent and the long-term effects of abuse, while also serving as a critique of the societal structures that often protect predators. Bloodlands, Europe Between Hitler and Stalin by Timothy Snyder. For those interested in history, Bloodlands is a compelling historical non-fiction that examines the atrocities committed in Eastern Europe during World War II under Hitler and Stalin's regimes. Snyder's clear writing style makes complex historical events digestible, shedding light on often overlooked tragedies. The book focuses on the region Snyder terms the Bloodlands, spanning from central Poland to western Russia, where approximately 14 million non-combatants perished between 1933 and 1945. Snyder's work is particularly suitable for beginner readers interested in history due to its accessible prose and comprehensive approach. It offers a nuanced understanding of the interplay between Nazi and Soviet policies, exploring themes such as the dehumanization integral to totalitarian regimes and the complexity of memory and victimhood. By presenting these harrowing events in a readable format, Snyder makes this crucial period of history more approachable for those new to the subject. These books are perfect for beginners as they use approachable language while still offering depth, cover diverse genres, and strike the perfect balance between entertainment and thought-provoking ideas. Whether you're just starting out or looking to reignite your love for reading, there's something here for everyone. For recommendations tailored to your favorite genres, drop a comment below, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.